Welcome to Grade 9 CBSE Chemistry class. I am Sudhi here. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 4, structure of atom. As we all know that when we consider a matter, that matter is made up of tiny particles called atom. As we know that matter is made up of tiny particles called atom. So here in this chapter we want to discuss about the structure of atom. In the previous chapter, you all know that what will be atoms and molecules. Right now, we are going to discuss about the structure of that particles. That means the structure of atom. There will be three familiar model of the structure of atom. That first one is J.J. Thomson atom model. The second one is Rutherford atom model, and the third one is Bohr atom model. There will be some limitation regarding J.J. Thomson atom model and Rutherford atom model. That's why we are following right now Bohr's atom model. But there is some drawback regarding Bohr atom model also. But anyway, right now in the modern educational society, all the texts are following Bohr atom model. So here we want to discuss about what is the structure of atom and what are the particles or what are the constituents inside the atom. What are the possibility or what are the things regarding atom such that is atom electrically positive, is atom electrically negative, or is atom electrically neutral, like that. What are the components in the atom? So how electrons and protons, as you know that the components of atoms including electrons, protons, neutrons, etc. How they are arranged inside the atom. So these are the topic we are going to discuss in this chapter. So here if we consider an atom, so atom consists of a nucleus. How this nucleus can come from? So the thing is that the whole mass of the atom is concentrated at the center of the atom. The whole mass of the atom is concentrated at the center of the atom. And that portion is called the nucleus of the atom. And the nucleus is of a positively charged particle. Nucleus is a positively charged specimen inside the atom. Why nucleus have a positive charge? That we want to discuss. So the thing is that here the whole mass of the atom is concentrated at the center of the atom and is called the nucleus of the atom. So around the nucleus there will be orbits. Around the nucleus there will be orbit. This is the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, like that there will be orbits. So around the nucleus the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the orbit. The electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the orbit. Electrons are of negatively charged particles. Electrons are of negatively charged particles and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular orbit. So this is the circular orbit and these electrons are revolving around the